Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dynamic Coder. Today we start with a new concept of VPN where I have already prepared one topology which is just a simpler part of the VPN and easiest way like for the beginners to get them understand how VPN and how VPN works. Okay, so I have already configured all the network IPs and the topologies like what you can see on the screen of 4 routers and 2 PCs connected to each other, that how tunnel is formed. The main part of VPN is that it is that secure that there is only a single tunnel to be formed between a remote PC or a remote user to its office or any part of the world. That could be possible. There are mainly two types of VPN, remote VPN and site-to-site VPN between the two offices to get connected. One is the branch office and one is the real office. So that's all the VPN works. We are not now performing the topologies on the remote VPN and site-to-site VPN, but just stay tuned. We'll be having the next videos regarding it only. But this is just a small topology where you will find how tunnel is formed. There is no more. It is just easiest and easy way for others or to the beginners who want to learn the security part. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for example, if this is my router 0 and if I want that, for example, like what we were doing in static routing, dynamic REAP, AIGRP, that if you want to get communicated, we are using these routing protocols. And like for example, if 10.10 wants to get communicate to 20.10, then the entire routers in between is a part of it, and the whatever the packets they are being part of it, and then afterward it gets traversed between those routers to get to the end users. Okay, but while you're creating VPN, there is just a single tunnel between the sender and the receiver. For example, if this could be our sender, then this is our receiver. So there is just a single tunnel to be formed to get communicated. Okay, so for example, let's make one simple, like for example, if I want that this is a tunnel. Okay, for example, this is just a simpler, like I have created one small rectangular part just for your example part to show you that how tunnel to get formed to get communicated. Okay, so I have already configured everything. Okay, so there is just what I'm gonna do is to create a tunnel directly. So for example, I have created interface tunnel question mark, my mistake, interface tunnel question mark. Here you can see that how much tunnel you will going to create, while if you want to have more secure communication between those. Okay, so for example, if I'm selecting 20, okay, and for example, if you want that both a person to get communicated, both the remote sites or both the site to site VPN to get connected, you need to use another IP. Okay, for the security you can use as usual your single, like what you have configured IPs, but for more security you should have to create like your default IP. For example, if I'm going to give this router as, for example, IP address, okay, 100.0.0.1 okay, then tunnel source. Okay, so what could be our source? Our source could be gigabit 0 slash, okay, this could be our source, and could be, you can write a real IP address or else another IP address. For example, if 30.0.0.1 is this interface, so 0.2. I can also get, if for example I'm giving it 100.0.01 here, so I can place it 100.0.0.2. That could be fine too. Yeah, so this is what, okay, this is done. Now go to this router, enable figure terminal, interface tunnel, vending. You need to give the same tunnel name number which you placed it on the tunnel either side. Okay, address 100.0.0.2. Okay, here it is showing that I have already created one tunnel, but for your sake I am creating tunnel 22. I have already created tunnel 10. That's fine, you can create multiple amount of tunnels. Okay, tunnel sources, destination is 10.0.0.2. Okay, just because I have placed G001 as a 10.2 and this is 10.1, so that's why I've given 10.2. Okay, this is the way it's done. Okay, and so I have already, like, I have placed, I created a tunnel. Okay, if for example, if we go to this, if you want tracer is a command. Okay, you can find the multiple paths, like where your packet is being travel. Okay, 92.168.20.10. So this is the way this shows me how the packet reaches from source to destination. So for example, if we want to see is our tunnel is working or not, so tracer, okay, 100.0.0.2. Here you can see that just there is a single, none of the hop is showing inside it. As you can see, 10.0.1 means this interface. After this, it just directly formed a tunnel and none of the information trace is completed. So this is the way the VPN tunnel works. It is just a simpler, just for the basic understanding of the people who need first to get their confidence build up that how VPN works. In the next future videos, I'm going to show you more about the VPNs, about the examples of remote VPN, side to side VPN, and etc. Okay, this is the way it works. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my stuff, do subscribe it, and please visit to my playlist where you can find multiple concept and multiple topologies, which is very easy for you to understand everything. Okay, thank you.